What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And we're at a local supermarket, which is called ShopRite. And we're going to get some ingredients to do this collaboration. And this collaboration is going to be consistent with some guys that we highly respect. And it's going to be a bunch of us. And we're going to be doing the Bubba Gump Challenge. So today I'm making shrimp and grits, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple, something it's easy. And also, you can eat this any time of the day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. All right, guys, y'all stick around. I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, guys, so we're using the Kingsford original charcoal to fill our heat source for our Weber kettle, which is right here, and I already got it going, as you can see. And no, I got a full chimney right now, or almost full. And the reason for that is because I'm also cooking dinner with it. So this is gonna be a great meal, guys. All right, guys, so I got a chance to sit down for one quick second and get a preview. So let me just talk about what's going on. And we basically got the Weber kettle right now prepping and it's warming up. We got the charcoal in the chimney, which is about to be ashed over in a few minutes. And we're gonna pour it into the Weber kettle and let that baby warm up. And we're gonna grill these shrimps, and it's basically 2 minutes per side, no more than 4 minutes. So 2 minutes per side, then we're gonna take them all, let them rest, and then we're gonna make that quick instant grits. You know, we gotta make it easy and simple, guys. But let's talk about something real special. We're doing a collaboration with a bunch of great barbecue guys, and you know, the guy who started this entire challenge is Smoking Joe's Pit Barbecue. Salute, my dude. You know what I mean? So you guys go check his channel out, which is going to be an archive right here. Check him out, guys, because he's the one who started this entire challenge. So we're going to be doing this collaboration of the Bubba Gump Challenge, and it's basically cooking shrimp. I chose to do shrimp and grits because you know, that's something my family enjoys, and it's something quick and simple for those who has some type of busy life and they are up on the go. And you know, this is something easy, quick, and simple to do, guys. Shrimp and grits. Who doesn't like shrimp and grits? And guys, if you want to check out the other guys that are doing this challenge, just make sure you hit on that hashtag Bubblegum Challenge. Alright, guys, as you can see, our charcoal has ashed over. As always, you want to spread this out nice and evenly so it can give you a good even distribution of heat. And we're going to close the lid and let it come up to time. Alright, guys, so basically what we did is we skewered these shrimps, and we're going to grill them again 2 minutes per side. And now we're going to add the magic touch, a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. There's a light dusting. I'm going to flip it over and repeat on the other side. Alright, guys, they are ready for the grill. Alright, guys, so we're looking at about 375 or so on this Weber kettle. So it is ready, and look at that. It's nice and hot. It's ready for these shrimps. Oh man, we're gonna cook it hot and fast. 2 minutes per side, guys. All right, so before we put anything on, guys, we gotta hit it with a little bit of canola oil spray just to make sure nothing sticks. So we'll melt a stick of butter, but I'm not going to just use all this butter. So with this butter, I'm just going to baste these shrimps. It's going to have some butter flavor on it. And we'll flip and repeat on the other side. All right, guys, so what you see right there is about a cup worth of water that's boiling at this point. And I'm just gonna add 1 cup of this instant grits. And it's just gonna cook down really, really fast. So I couldn't find my 1 cup measuring cup, so I'm using a 1/2 cup measuring. So I'm gonna use 2 scoops of these. And just make sure you stir it. We're gonna turn down the heat from high to medium. And just stir it, baby. And we're gonna let this cook out for a little bit. Alright guys, as you can see, it's starting to thick up real quick. At this point, you can add your cheese, your seasoning, and I'm gonna add my butter first. Alright, so let's add the butter. And that's about a good 1/2 stick of butter. Next we're gonna add some good old Himalayan salt. Some good old black pepper. Oop. You can add as much or as little as you want. And my secret ingredient, little Mrs. Dash. And that's about a teaspoon or so. We're just gonna mix and combine as well. As you can see, it's starting to thick up really nice. Oh yeah. Now sometimes it gets a little too thick. You can thin it out with a little bit more water. Or if you like, a little bit more butter. Take a look at that, guys. Oh yeah. All right, so we're gonna add our Gouda cheese at this point. Good old Gouda cheese. A good 1/2 cup, guys, and you can add whatever kind of cheese you like. For me, Gouda hits the spot. Look at that. Oh yeah, nice and cheesy. Now I like my grits a little thick, just like so, but you can thin it out, like I said, with a little bit more water. All right, so we're gonna plate this up, and we're gonna show you how it looks like at the end, and we're gonna do a nice little taste test. All right, so let's plate this up, guys. Take a look at that. Oh yeah. So we're gonna add our shrimp at this point, just like so. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of parsley flakes. And finally, but not least, a little bit of green onion. Just for flavor and color. So this is my version of shrimp and grits, guys. Take a look at that. You can't tell me that don't look good. Man, this looks good right here. She's washing the dishes after I cook. Can't ask for a better relationship. Let's take the grits first. Good flavor. That secret agent, that Mrs. Dash, hits on that spot, guys. Gotta get another scoop. And that Gouda cheese, it's really coming through, nice and creamy. Take a taste. Wow. And that's for better, for nothing else better. Alright guys, make sure you hit that hashtag bubblegum challenge, and you'll be able to see all the other guys that are doing a great collaboration. These are awesome barbecue guys, and this right here is shrimp and grits. Simple, easy to make, something you can make at home, because if I can do it, so can you. Very simple. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this is a meal and a half. So guys, share this video with all your family and friends, and if you like barbecue and you like grilling, this is your channel right here. Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and until we meet again, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Say bye, babe.